What is the single most important factor determining how much your savings will grow in 2025? It's not your company's stock performance, and it's not crypto hype, it's interest rates. Specifically, the interest rates tied to secure accounts, which are often called direct current interest rates in popular financial discussions. The term direct current in this context is a common way to refer to the annual percentage yield, APY, offered by direct banks or online financial institutions on accounts like certificates of deposit, CDs, and high-yield savings accounts. The current rate environment. Why are these rates so popular right now? Because after a period of aggressive action by the Federal Reserve to combat inflation, we saw some of the best saving rates in over a decade. However, as the Fed has begun to ease, high-yield rates for 2025 have seen some fluctuation. As of late 2025, while the peak highs are generally behind us, the most competitive APYs are still significantly above the national averages offered by traditional brick-and-mortar banks. We're still seeing top-tier CD rates and high-yield savings APYs often hovering in the 4% to 4.5% range for some short-term products. Where to find the best direct current rates? The most popular sources for these high rates are generally not the big national banks you see on every corner. They are online-only banks and credit unions which have lower overhead costs, allowing them to pass on higher APYs to their depositors. Certificates of deposit, CDs. These are currently the most popular way to lock in a high rate. For short to mid-term CDs, think 6 months to 1 year, some institutions are offering rates around 4.30% to 4.45% APY. Popular players include online-focused banks and certain credit unions. High-yield savings accounts, HYSAs. If you need flexibility, HYSAs are your best bet. While generally slightly lower than the top CD rates, many are still in the 4.00% to 4.35% APY range and allow you to withdraw money anytime. Strategy for savers in 2025. With many experts predicting a continued gradual decline in overall rates through 2025, your strategy should be to secure the best return now. Lock it in. Consider a CD ladder strategy. Instead of putting all your money into one long-term CD, split it across shorter terms like 6-month, 1 year, and 18-month CDs. This lets you lock in today's higher rates while ensuring you have funds maturing every few months to reinvest if rates climb again, or simply access cash if you need it. Stay flexible. Keep your emergency fund in a top-rated high-yield savings account to maximize returns while maintaining liquidity. Check rates frequently, as they are now changing more often. The key takeaway for 2025 is simple: don't settle for low-yield accounts. Do your research, find the top APY, and put your money to work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.